Here I'm going to share some tips for you to set Amazon Music sleep timer on multiple devices. To set an Amazon Music sleep timer on Android, you should launch the Amazon Music app and go to Settings, then navigate to Sleep Timer and select the time you want to say. Once done, you can see the sleep timer is enabled successfully. And to set Amazon Music sleep timer on iOS devices, go to the Browse page and click the three-dot icon. Next, go to Settings and select Sleep Timer to set up. If you want to set sleep timer for Alexa, here are the steps. First, tap Menu and then go to Settings and choose Amazon Music from the Music section. Now you can establish a sleep timer with Alexa by simply asking, "Alexa, set a sleep timer for 30 minutes." This is an extra tip for you. If you'd like to listen to Amazon Music on multiple devices, you can try Tunelf Amazon Music Converter.